E780. And of course CSX power. I'm still hoping to see more foreign power. That'd be nice. But can't win them all. Just give it a chance. Yeah, with this train, I probably could get lunch. I'm starting to get a little bit hungry.
E780-15 3079 West 1 cleared China.
Yeah.
E750.
Yeah. So you left today.
E780 or 50?
E780-15.
That came right from the old main line.
Well, you may take, sometimes it takes the catch a man. Sometimes. But most of these are man.
Hey, I heard a slow order. The rest of it broke up. Is it on number 2 track or where's it at? Yeah, it'll be on number 2 track.
Oh, excuse me. Yeah, you can restore her.
Yeah, I'm ready, over. Hey, number 2 track, PA, 25 over 25.
Yeah, I probably gotta get lunch out of this train. Oh, I wonder.
Yep. 141.
I don't know.
2525 MPH on number 2 track, BA 81.2, BA 81.3. Yes, on assigned code 141 MAR, correct, over? Correct, over. Over 92, number 17. Excuse me, dispatcher message number 17483. 1150 WCT. That's 25 over 25 on number 2 track.
Oh, man.
Dispatcher message number 17483, 1150 WCT, over. Okay, that's correct, over. Alrighty, I guess when they get done this spot, they'll move down everything. Then you look at these, there's another spot. Okay. There we go, dispatcher. Let's get there for now.
He gave me a lunch call. Well, probably time to get me and get some lunch. Cause Amtrak's late. He's not even near mountain bike yet. I don't know when the next NS is gonna come. When is the next NS? When is that next? I wanna know. You alright, dude? Hey, Wiz, you alright?
Yeah, I'm just reading. I'm reading a text message.
Ah, okay.
From Mr. Daniel Simon.
Ah.
E780-15 to 3079 West 1 cleared Hobbs.
Is it one of those 800 axle empties or?
No, it's probably 532, probably.
532? Alright.
Yeah, 2 engines, buck 30 cars.
Alright, that's a regular.
Yeah, it's a normal size.